Have you ever wanted to edit a PDF document but you just didn't know how to do it? You can get online tools, most of them paid for tools, to edit PDF documents, to make them into editable documents. There's also Adobe Acrobat DC where you can edit a PDF document, but most of the time you need to pay for Adobe Acrobat. But I'm going to show you how to do this in Microsoft Word for free. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got a PDF document here. This PDF document is an application form and I want to edit this document, but I can't do it because this document is currently opened up in Adobe Reader and I haven't got the paid for version of Adobe Acrobat DC, and I'm not going to use the online tools out there because most of them you have to pay for anyway. So what I'm going to do is switch on to Microsoft Word, because I'm going to open that document in Microsoft Word as an editable Word document. And this is what you do. Top left hand corner, go to File, go to Open. Now you find where that PDF document is saved. It's this top one here for me, maybe in another location for yourself. So I'm going to click on this top one, and then it's going to come up with this prompt, which I'm just going to simply read out to you because you need to understand what this prompt is saying. So it's saying that Word will now convert the PDF document into an editable Word document. It may take a few moments, but the key thing here to remember is the resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original document contained a lot of images or graphics. So I'm just going to simply click OK, and it's going to go away. And here is the document opened up in Microsoft Word. Now, if there's points in the document you want to change, so if you want to change this, you can do. Simply click on it, but you need to, in the yellow box at the top, make sure it's not read only. So you're going to click on edit anyway. So now what you can do is start tinkering, start editing bits of it. You can start filling bits in as well here. You can go down and really start editing bits of this document. It's up to you what you add. So down here you can delete this option, add something else in there, so on and so forth. So it's now editable, which is great for you. You can save this as a Word document here, or you can save it back as a PDF document there, where you go on to save as type and choose the file format there. So that's just a quick and easy way showing you how to edit a PDF, how to convert the PDF into a Word document, and how to edit that document in Microsoft Word. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.